Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. Today I'll be showing you how to set a trailing stop for a buy order on Webull. This is mostly for day traders or someone who's busy and doesn't have a lot of time to constantly be looking at charts. And of course, you're buying because you think you are overall bullish in the stock, but because you read some news or know the stock price is about to take a dive pretty soon, you want to get in at the best possible deal so you don't have to overpay. But of course, you still like the stock to begin with because you're buying it. So here's a quick example. If the current stock price is trading at $100 per share, you can either set your trailing amount to be a percentage amount or a dollar amount. For the sake of simplicity, I'll just say I'll be setting the trailing amount at $1, which is the stop price. This means that I'm comfortable buying this stock at $101 if the stock price decides to just go up. But if the stock decides to drop to $99, now my stop price will be set at $100 per share because it moves along with the current stock price, but only when it drops in price. So if it decides to go up to $99.50, the stop price wouldn't move. It'll stay at $100 per share still. And during the day, if the stock price hits $100 per share, then it'll trigger a market buy and buy it at around $100 per share because it's not a limit order. So it'll execute as a market order to buy. Hopefully this was intuitive. So for this example, I'm going to use a ticker symbol LMND, and that's the lemonade company. So I'm going to click on that and then go to trade on the bottom left, click on that, and then it's going to be a buy order. And then for the order type, I'm going to click on that and then switch to trailing stop. So once I hit here, it says that the stop price follows the last price of the stock by a trailing amount or percentage that you set. A market buy is triggered when the stock price rises to the stop price or higher. So for the trailing amount, I'm going to just hit $1, and if you want to change it to percentage, click on the dollar sign and it'll switch to a trail percentage. So right now I'm going to switch back to $1, the dollar amount, and then click $1. And then for the quantity, you could change it to just as many as you want, but for this example, I'm going to just do one. So notice that this is it. I set it at and it's ready to go. If I hit buy, it's going to just go in a queue and it's going to be as a working order, and I'll only execute if it goes higher and higher and it hits the trailing stop. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about this, just drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you haven't already signed up with Webull yet, feel free to do so since they are still giving out 2 free stocks that could be valued up to $2,300 when you deposit $100. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads. I'll catch y'all later.